Let's look at question 11. At first, Tina had a total of 97 small and large Manex. She gave away 4 small Manex and bought some large Manex. The large Manex increased by 50%. In the end, she had a total of 114 Manex. Again, you notice it's BCA. Why? There's change. What's the change? The change is this part. You minus 4 small, then you add question mark large. Those who have gotten 63 for part A, you are correct. Now, so we do not know what is at the start, but we do know the total of small plus large is 97. That is the most important thing. They didn't tell us individual, they didn't tell us which one has small, but they did tell us the total at the start was 97. So what I'm going to do for this question, right, it's better to show a flow chart. That means show from the start to the end what is the events that happen in order. So this is 97, which is the before. Okay, because they didn't tell us individual at the start, the comparison. So we can't, even withdraw model, we won't be able to, decide which one is longer, which one is shorter. So maybe for this, I show you, this will be minus 4 small. So after 97 minus 4 small, the total become 94, or 93, sorry. The total become 93. Then again, what happened here? So if you see carefully, there's one more change. They did say that you plus some large. So how many large? We do not know how many large, but we know that in the end it's 114 Manex. In the end, total. But we do know something. This is the most important information here. The large Manex increased by 50%. So this to here is the increase in large Manex. So how many number of large Manex bought? How many was bought? How many were bought? Sorry. So 114 minus 93. That will give you 114 minus 93. That will give you 21. So actually, Tina bought 21 large. And this 21 large is 50%. Increased by 50%. What do you understand? If this is the start, this is the end. Let's say this is plus 50%. Originally must be 100. Then at the end must be 150%. That is what you need to understand. Increase by 50% of the original. So that means 50% of the large Manex is actually equals to 21. I'm supposed to find out how many large Manex in the end. So we just now said, before was 100%. Then you add 50%, it will be 150%. So this is the end. 50%, 150% of the large. From 50% to 150%, you times 3. So 21 times 3 will give you 63. That's how you get the answer 63. So now, did Tina have more small Manex than large Manex at first? So we talk about at first. What do we know about at first? The total was 97. So if we want, this is made up of large and small. If we want to find out which one has more, we know large, right? Can we find large? Just now we had the large, but we had the end. So number of large Manex at first will be 100%. Which means that earlier 50% is 21, 100% will be 21 times 2, which is 42. After which you find the number of large Manex, you can find the number of small Manex too. How? Take the total minus 42, you get 55. So which one has more? Of course, small is more than the large Manex. And how many more? 55 minus 42 is 13 more. So those who's right, chose small, and then you got 13, your answer is correct. So please fill in the blanks. Had 13 more small Manex at first. So this one, I would say it's quite straightforward. You must be able to understand this part. Then it will lead you to part B. If your part A is wrong, most likely your part B will be wrong because unless you are able to tell me this 21, and from 21 you can tell me 42, then probably if you get A wrong because of calculation, B should be still correct.